Guys, Running Kimono here. So we are going to be talking about the best gain deals over at the Dollar General. So we are pairing this with the 5 off of 30 with the 5 off of 25. The biggest savings will be Saturday the 19th. If you decide to do these deals before then, it's an extra $5 on the balance, just to note that. But it is most advantageous to wait till Saturday if you can wait to head out to the store that day. Just to go over a couple of ground rules for you guys, you have to pick up $30 of gain merchandise for the two to work in concert. Again, Saturday, September the 19th, you will have the biggest savings with both 5 off of 30 and 5 off of 25 working together. Really pay attention at the cash register that everything is scanning for the costs that we're discussing. Use the Dollar General app to scan and store to make sure that you're getting the stack of the 5 off of 30 along with the digital manufacturers, so there's no there's no big surprise at checkout. These are Michigan prices as well, so if you are living in a different part of the US, it might be a little bit more or less for you. And any issues you might have at checkout where you're paying a whole lot more, don't be shy to void your transaction. So, I know that a lot of these deals, a lot of you might think they just don't work and, it's nonsense. And on my Instagram and in the community tab of my YouTube page, I have been posting photos, so I go and do deals later on Saturday, and then I'll post them for you guys to say, hey, it worked, or if there's issues, I'll also, show you guys that. But this was last weekend with the 2 cottonelles and a couple other goodies, and I got my basket down to $11.34, and this is for 24 double rolls of cottonelle times 2, so 48 double rolls of toilet paper. I mean, this is just tremendous and fantastic, and the Saturday deals are definitely the way to do it if you're just doing a classical 5 off of 25, or if you're doing like a double stack with the gain. There is some exceptionally deep savings to be had and found. Now on Sunday morning, that's when all the new digitals show up. This guy I would absolutely load if you plan on getting some toilet paper, if you want to get some sort of a deal going for you. Definitely load this $1 off a pack of cottonelle. Along with this $5, I only got it on one of my accounts, but there's this always discreet pads that are 5 on the nose. With this coupon, it's a free item. Pairing it with a Saturday deal with the 5 off of 25, it's just fantastic. Definitely load those 2 coupons. Okay, so let's look at the first deal. The first deal is 100% digital. You're going to need your 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, and all digital coupons are of a one-time use. So if you use this one earlier in the month, it's a one and done. And then the 5 off of 25. So you need those 2 cornerstones loaded to your store card to make this deal happen. The first item that we're going to grab is one of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. Alternatively, if this is something you don't want, you can grab that big mammer of the detergent for $13.50. We have this wonderful $3 digital coupon. It showed up on Sunday, so load it. It's coming off that product. How fantastic is that? We're also going to grab 1 detergent and 1 fabric softener product for $3.95. So 2 items off this bingo list, and we have this wonderful $1 coupon off of a fabric enhancer. Along with, we have a $1 coupon, here it is, off of a detergent. So you're going to need those $2 coupons loaded. Now the next thing that we're going to grab is 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $2 on the nose. And then we're going to need this $1 off 2 digital coupon loaded to your store card. And then to round off our basket, we're going to grab 2 of the Febreze waxes with the Gain scent. They are $3 each, so that's $6 for 2 of them. And then we have this wonderful 3 off of 2 coupon that showed up a couple weeks back, so please make sure you have that guy loaded for this little dealio. Okay guys, let's take a quick peek at the math for this monster. We're grabbing 1 of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50, 1 Gain fabric softener for $3.95, 1 Gain detergent for $3.95, 2 Gain dish soaps, $2 a pop, that's $4. And then 2 of the Gain wax melts, $3 each, that's $6. So your total for all of this is $31.40. Immediately after the cashier scans your last product in your basket, you punch in your phone number right away. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off. Again, we're doing this deal on Saturday. And then $9 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $12.40 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. For the 7 items, essentially shaking each item out to $1.77 each. Let's just say you're a little bit more of an advanced shopper and you're like, that's a cute basket, but hey, I want a little bit more. They have a promotion, and I believe this is the last week, that you spend $15 on P&G products, you get a $5 coupon on your receipt on your next order. So let's throw in one more of these fabric softeners. We don't have any coupons to go with it, but it's going to balance out here in the end. So we're going to look at this math in just a different way from the last basket, throwing in an extra fabric softener. So the Gain Flings for $13.50. We have 2 Gain fabric softeners for $7.90. 1 Gain detergent for $3.95. 2 dish soaps for $4. The 2 wax melts for $6. The new total is $35.35. After the last item is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 is coming off, along with the $9 of digitals. You're left with paying $16.35 out of pocket, not including your tax. You're going to get back a $5.01 on your next order, making it $11.35 for the 8, or $1.41 each. So even though you're paying a little bit more with that $5.01 on your next order, there is some deep savings to be had and found with this basket. If you were forgetful like me, you know what I would do? Go into the store, grab something that's, at least $5.01 or $5.50 or whatever, and spend it right away, because you don't want to misplace it or lose it, because that would be the worst thing. But like some extra thing that you can get for your household, I would probably grab some toilet paper with that coupon. So how wonderful is that? Okay, deal number 2. This again is 100% digital. We have our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have this guy loaded, along with the Saturday coupon, which is the 5 off of 25. So load both of those to accompany this deal. So the first thing that we're going to grab is 3 of the Febreze fabrics with Gain for $3.55 a pop. Now, there is 2 different Febreze coupons, and both of them are attaching along with the 5 off of 30. And I'll just show you here in a quick second what the stack looks like, so you know that the digitals are working. Boom, everything's attaching. And a good rule of thumb too on Saturday is to double check in the store, because sometimes coupons that we're attaching aren't attaching and it's a big, hairy, confusing mess. But just to make sure there's no surprise at checkout, definitely double, triple check. 3 of those. We're also going to grab 2 of these Mr. Clean surface cleaners in the Gain scent for $3 each. So that's 6, and then we have the $1 off too. As you can see, it's attaching with the 5 off of 30, and that's exactly what you want to see when you're scanning, is that little stack of the 2. We're also going to grab either the flings or the detergent for $13.50. We have our wonderful $3 coupon that's attaching to that. And then we're also going to be grabbing 1 fabric softener product for $3.95, or you can get a detergent. It's your choice, and this is the $1 coupon that we have loaded. And alternatively, if you're going with the detergent, you'll need the other coupon also loaded. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at the math. 3 of the Febreze fabric sprays is $10.65. Remember, they're $3.35 a pop. 2 Mr. Clean with Gain surface cleaners is $6. 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50, and then 1 Gain fabric softener product is $3.95. So the total for this basket is $34.10. Immediately after the last item is scanned, punch in your phone number right away. We have our 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 coming off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $15.10 out of pocket, and that does not include your tax. And then you're going to get back a $5.01 on your next order at the bottom of your receipt. So the final price point here for this basket is $10.10 for the 7 items, or $1.44 each. This is a little something called winning. Okay guys, final deal that we have is with 1 paper coupon. We need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. And then you also need your 5 off of 25 loaded to your store cart as well. So those 2 weekend coupons, have them loaded. And then the first item that we're going to grab is this guy for $13.50. We're going to grab 2 of them actually. We're going to use one of these from the Retail Me Not of September the 13th. And then we have this $3 digital also loaded. So that's $6 off the 2. Hopefully you can follow me. And then we're also going to be grabbing 1 detergent and 1 fabric softener product for $3.95. And this is what the digitals look like. You have $1 here, which is really fantastic for the fabric softener product, and then the $1 for the detergent, and here it is. Okay guys, looking at the math, 2 of the Gain Flings 51 count, $27. Alternatively, if you want the liquid, you can get 2 Big Mamas. And then we're grabbing 1 Gain detergent for $3.95, 1 Gain fabric enhancer for $3.95. The total right here is $34.90. You will present one $3 coupon from the September 19th Retail Me Not. After the cashier scans that 1 paper coupon, you punch in your phone number immediately after that. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. 3 for the flings, 1 for the detergent, and 1 for the fabric enhancer. So you're left with paying $16.90 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. At the bottom of your at the bottom of your receipt, you're going to get that little coupon on your next order. So it makes it $11.90 for the 4 items, or $2.97 each. If you consider that you have 2 massive containers of flings or liquid detergent, I don't think this is the worst deal ever. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.